Hello, what's the difference between orogens and mountains? An orogen is a total mass of rocks deformed during orogeny. Orogeny is a specific event of orogenesis, and orogenesis is the geological process that builds mountain ranges through the deformation of the Earth's crust, which involves changes in its shape and position due to tectonic forces. The terms orogeny and orogenesis can be used interchangeably. The terms come from Greek and mean mountain creation. But is every mountain creation an orogeny? We will try to find a satisfying answer. What happens during orogeny? There is a compression. The crust is squeezed by tectonic forces, causing it to fold and fold. There is an uplift. The crust is pushed upward, forming mountains. Also, metamorphism and volcanism occur. Metamorphism because rocks are transformed by heat and pressure, and volcanism occurs sometimes because magma may rise to contribute to mountain formation. These three criteria are the key to distinguishing between orogenic and non-orogenic mountains. Since folding is the most distinguished feature of the orogen, orogen is a synonym of folded mountains. All three criteria occur during collision of two tectonic plates. When two tectonic plates collide at a convergent plate boundary, a collisional type of orogeny occurs. Orogens can also form at transform boundaries, but only where the geometry of the fault creates local compression, like in collisional orogeny. If one plate subducts beneath another, there is an accretionary type of orogeny. These two types of orogeny may result in the formation of the third type, intracratonic or intraplate orogeny. In this case, horizontal stresses come from distant plate boundaries. For instance, flat slab subduction produces this type of orogeny, or rejuvenated collisional or accretionary ancient orogen. In both cases, all three criteria are met. If we define a mountain as a large landform that rises prominently above the surroundings, typically with steep slopes and significant elevation, and a mountain range as a line or group of mountains that are connected by high ground and often formed by the same geological process, we can notice that there are also different ways to form mountains. For example, there are mountains at the divergent plates boundaries, where plates are pulled apart, forming rift zones on the ocean floor or on continents. Some mountains originate from hotspot volcanism, but there is no compression. In these cases, all three criteria are not met. Summarizing, orogens don't equal mountains. All orogens are mountains, but not all mountains are orogens. Thank you for watching. With your greetings. See you next time.